We want to know here, blank brochures, which is the second day. Now, here's what it says. It says that a station handed out 240 brochures over 2 days. Okay. If 37.5% were distributed on the second day, how many brochures was that second day's total? Oh, so this seems to be a pretty straightforward problem because we have the percent that represents the second day. 37.5%, that's the second day. Okay, so because we have the percent that represents the second day and the original amount, 240, that means that our result will represent the second day's brochures. And so just remember, the percent times the original equals the result. The result that we want is the second brochure or the second day's brochures. Because we want to know the amount of the second day's brochures, we want to plug in the percent for that second day. And there's that percent for the second day. Right here, second day, turn this into a decimal, 0.375, and we're going to multiply that by 240. So let's just go ahead and get right to it. The way that I'll do it is I'll just go ahead and write the bigger number on the top, because since it has all 3 decimal places used, so I'll use 0.375, and I'll do the 240 on the bottom. If you know your little tricks, you know that you can remove the 0 and bring it back at the end, but let's go ahead and go through. So we have 5 times 0, 7 times 0, and 3 times 0. So that first part's pretty light. So I'll plug in a 0 here so I can start with the 4. So let me just put a highlighter on where I'm going to start. 5 times 4, that's 20. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry the 2 is 30. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 3 is 15. From there, we're going to now do the next line. And this is the complicated part. We have a 3-digit by 3-digit, and that's okay because we can practice this. So just follow along and I got you. So we'll put a 0 and a 0 so we can start right over here. So we have 5 times 2, which is 10. Then we'll carry that 1 right over here. Then we have 7 times 2, which is 14. Carry the 1 is 15. Then 3 times 2 is 6. Carry the 1 is 7. So there we are. We've completed that 3 by 3 multiplication. We have 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. And then 7 plus 2 is 9. And we're going to bring back not 1, not 2, but 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, making our final answer, the number of brochures on the second day, 90 brochures for the second day.